Good morning, dear students of class 4th. We are going to start with prepositions from, to, for, and we'll do today prepositions behind, in front of, near, and between and among. Now, first of all, look at these sentences. This will give you an idea that how and where we use preposition from, to, and for. We lived in this house from January to March. From January to March. We lived in this house for 3 months. He went to Mumbai last week. He returned from Mumbai today in the morning. He stayed there for a week. Now, these are the prepositions. Preposition from, for, to, from, and for. Now, we have written certain things that we will understand. Now, preposition from, we have written preposition from suggests the beginning of time, of any time or anything else. Okay, it suggests the beginning, starting. Okay, it suggests the beginning. I started my journey from, beginning. Okay, I am starting my journey, I am beginning from Delhi. Okay, from Delhi. This suggests the beginning. Understood? Then we lived in this house from January to March. Now this is suggesting that this month January we started living in this house from, okay, January. So this suggests the beginning of something or time or anything, beginning of anything. Okay, from now, first is it suggests the beginning, the second is from also suggests direction. It also suggests direction. For example, he returned from Delhi yesterday. This is the preposition of direction. यहाँ पे from को preposition as a preposition of direction use किया है. He returned from Delhi. Okay, from Delhi. कहाँ से? From Delhi. This is used as the preposition of direction. From. Now coming to preposition to. Now, preposition to suggests the end of something. It suggests the end of something. For example, I studied in this school. Now, we did from is beginning. From 1999 to 2009. To 2009. That means after 2009, I didn't study in the school. After 2009. Now, to 2009 was the end of my study period in this school. So to is used to suggest the end of something. कोई चीज़ जो खत्म हो रही है, end of something. Now same way as from, to also suggests the direction. To also suggests the direction. Now here I go to my school. Now what is the difference here to and here to? Here this is used as to suggest the end of something. To, okay, and here it is used as the prepositions of direction. I go to my school every day. I go to my school every day. My father goes to the office. Okay, my father goes to the goes to his office every day. So this is the preposition of direction. This is not telling the end of something, it is telling the direction. This suggests the direction. Same way like this, he returned from Delhi. This is also suggesting the direction. I hope you have understood. Now this, yes, now here the to which is used here, we lived in this house from January. Now this is not suggesting the direction, it is suggesting the end of something. Okay, it is suggesting the end of something. When you speak that I'm going to market, I'm going to the playground or to the park. Okay, this is direction. Yeah, direction किसी को बता रहे हो that you are where you are going to the park, you are going to the market. This, understood? This is preposition of direction, and when you use it as to suggest the end of something, then we use from dash and dash to dash and dash. Okay, this from to, then we use to suggest beginning and end also. I hope you have understood this. Now coming to for, preposition for. Now this is preposition for. Now preposition for suggests the duration of a period of time. Understood? Something which is happening in a duration of time, from to. This will make, I will make you understand like this. ठीक है. Now from beginning to end, and ये जो बीच वाला होएगा, this will be for. This is this duration. Here we use for. Now, for example, I studied here for 6 years. Okay, I studied here for 6 years. Understood? I studied here for 10 years. I studied here for 10 years. It is telling the duration of the 6 years. In 6 years, जो 6 साल मैंने यहाँ पढ़े हैं, that duration, if you want to suggest, if you want to tell someone, then you will use for 6 years, for 9 years, or for 10 years. Same way here, we lived in this house for 3 months. Now this is telling the duration, that how many months we lived here. We lived 3 months. So here we will use for duration जो आपका बता रहे हैं. ठीक है. He went to this one. Yes, he stayed there for a week. Duration of a week. Now the exercise which you will do is this one. Fill in the blanks with from, to, or for. Now we live in Punjab dash 2005 dash 2014. Now you know beginning is from 2005 to 2014. Now we lived there dash about 9 years. Now this is telling the duration. For duration we always use this for. We lived there for about 9 years. Father goes dash his office in the morning. Now here we cannot use from, we cannot use for, we have to use to as a preposition of direction. Father goes to his office. This is preposition of direction. Okay. He returns dash his office in the evening. Now this is from. He returns from his office in the evening. I have not received any message. I have not received any message from home. I have not received any message from home. This is preposition of direction. We have winter vacation. Now this here dash 24th December dash 1st July. Sorry, 1st January. Now we have winter vacation. Now here we use the word from as beginning from 24th December to 1st January, to end of something. From 24th December to 1st January. In London, they have Christmas holidays dash almost 3 weeks. Now here 3 weeks is telling the duration, and for duration we use for. In London, they have Christmas holidays for almost 3 weeks. This whole exercise I've done for you. I hope you have understood this preposition from, to, and for.